open ocean, thousands move as one. No leader, no signal, just instinct. A single turn becomes a shared direction, each movement echoed before it's even understood. The internet began with a seed, a small network of computers sharing simple messages across distance. New connections formed like early roots pushing into the soil. Websites. Alone, an ant is nearly invisible. Together, they become a force. Every tunnel is shaped by thousands of small efforts, cooperation turned into architecture. But survival